In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create login in AppSheet. We'll start from the AppSheet homepage, spin up an app from a template, and then turn on sign in so only authorized people can get in. Begin by heading to appsheet.com. On the top right, click Create, then choose App. When AppSheet asks how you want to begin, select Start with Template. This route gives you a working foundation right away so you can focus on securing access rather than building every screen from scratch. In the template gallery, use the search bar and type something like Project Tracker. Open the Project Tracker template and click Copy. Give your copy a clear, descriptive name so you can identify it later, then confirm by choosing Copy App. AppSheet will build your version and open it in the editor, where you'll make the security changes. In the editor, look to the left navigation and open Security. Under the Sign-in section, turn on Require User Sign-in. This is the key switch that adds a login gate to your app and protects its data. Next, choose your authentication provider. AppSheet supports common providers such as Microsoft, Apple, Dropbox, Smartsheet, Box, and Salesforce. Pick the one that your users already use to sign in at work or in your organization. Aligning with an existing provider keeps access simple and reduces the chance of login issues. Below that, you'll see the option to allow all signed-in users. Enabling this means anyone who signs in with the selected provider can access the app. If you want tighter control, keep this in mind for the next step where you can manage specific access. You may see prompts related to making the app public and confirming you're authorized to do so. Selecting those confirms the app is intended for broad, open access. Remember, a truly public app does not require sign-in. If your goal is a login-protected app, simply keep sign-in required and avoid enabling a public configuration. If you want to explicitly control who gets in, click Manage Users to review or configure access. This is helpful when you only want certain accounts or teams to open the app and you don't want general access for all signed-in users. When you're done adjusting settings, click Save to apply the changes. The editor may take a moment to update. After saving, your copied Project Tracker app will enforce the sign-in rules you configured and users will be prompted to authenticate with the provider you selected. That's it. You've created an AppSheet app from a template and added a login layer to keep your data secure. Thanks for watching, and feel free to repeat these steps with any other template you want to lock down.